Welcome to the MadgeTech App. In this video guide, we'll go over how to set alarms for your MadgeTech Data Loggers. To get to the alarm settings, go into your MadgeTech Data Loggers info page and tap the gear icon in the upper right corner to navigate to the Data Loggers settings and tap on the Alarms tab. Alarms are switched off by default, so give the Enable Alarm slider a tap to turn alarms on as well as reveal the settings to fine-tune to your specifications. The high threshold setting should be set to the maximum temperature or humidity you want to see before the alarm is triggered, and similarly for the low threshold setting. The cumulative alarm delay is used to count the time that the temperature and/or humidity is outside of the specified range to trigger an alarm. As an example, if you only want the alarm to be triggered after the temperature or humidity has been outside of your specified range after 20 seconds, set the cumulative alarm delay for 20 seconds. Once the data logging session is ended, a report will be generated, and here you can see when and for how long the temperature or humidity was outside of the specified range. This information can also be found in the info page of your data logger in the status section. Tap the little red icon and an info tab will appear telling you if the alarm was triggered because you were above or below the set threshold, what the maximum or minimum temperature was, and for how long the temperature or humidity was outside of the specified range. If you have any questions about the app or want to learn more, please reach out to our technical support team. Thanks for watching.